Hello, my name is Miguel, and today I'm going to show you how to make homemade French fries. So, put to heat a frying pot. Put the stove gauge on high flame, 7 or 8 or 6, the highest flame on your stove. Just allow it to get dry. For a minute, add oil. Add enough oil, about 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup. This is Irish, so just peel it. Peel the Irish potato. Some people fry this with the skin on, like some Chinese restaurant. Just cut these in quarters. Wash the skin off properly and cut them in quarters. Just cut it in the middle. Cut one again. One again. Alright, so now we have 4 pieces. Next, let's make this split. These are not too long, just cut. Alright, once you see a little smoke, let it stay on one side. Don't move it. Just let it stay on one side, don't move it. Just make sure all the French fries, just be sure all the potato is in the oil. It's gonna go through and separate them. Don't flip it yet, just let it dry. It's a minute already. See, start getting caramel around the edges. Homemade French fries. After 2 minutes. Once you go through and flip them and look at it, make sure it's all flipped. It's not gonna take long. It's gonna take less. It's gonna take like a minute. Depends on how you want them. If you want them dry, I want them kind of crispy. At this point, just move it around. Take out the ones that you think fry. Turn it off, take them all out. Homemade French fries. Homemade French fries. I need some ketchup and you're good to go. Right. All you need is some ketchup. Because I put it on high flame, it's not even greasy. Didn't put no paper towel or anything. See ya. Oh, I don't know. They say food have salt in it, you know, but I didn't feel like I needed to add salt. I had a pinch of salt. See if it's gonna taste any different. I guess the ketchup is kind of salty.